everyone. This is Naomi Egger. Welcome back to my show. Yes, this is Naomi Egger Educational Show, where we bring you updates from school. And as usual, we have another exciting episode for you. But before I bring this episode on, I like to say a happy birthday to my identical twin boys. Yes, today is their birthday. They have been such amazing children. You see, about 20 years ago, I found out I was pregnant. And I went to the hospital, did the blood work, and the doctor was like, okay. So we scheduled the ultrasound. On the ultrasound day, let me tell you what happened. I just decided to just fall asleep, just doze off, and then I had a dream. I had a dream someone handed me twins. And then I woke up so scared, and I was like telling everybody around me, I had a dream I had twins. Well, I freshened up, went for the appointment. When I got there, the technician was just checking everything and checking all, everything. And then she said, I see more than one baby. I said, I knew it. I just had a dream, and my dream just came true. Yes. And she named baby A, baby B, and it was just an exciting moment. But why am I telling you this? As you watch this episode, maybe you're asking God for twins. Maybe you're asking God for a breakthrough. I don't know what you want, but I pray for you as you watch this episode. May your dreams come true in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray for you that you shall testify. Continue to watch this episode over and over and over again, and your dreams will come true in Jesus' mighty name. So, welcome back again to the Naomi Educational Show, where dreams come true. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Greater Tomorrow Academy, Benin City, Edo State is a school of choice. Teachers and support staff all work hard to maintain a safe and happy school where children are encouraged to become enthusiastic and lifelong learners. Our students are valued as members of the school community, and the school places great emphasis on guiding them to celebrate their successes in learning so they master.
Okay, my name is Mr. Olani. So today we'll be doing a main media mode and range. But before we start, I want us to just watch a short video about main media mode and range. And after the video, I'm going to ask you questions, so please pay attention.
However, it's usually most associated with the mean. So let's start with the most common average. Let's assume you have a data set of test scores, because teachers love to talk about test scores. The first thing you always want to do when finding an average is to order the numbers from the least to greatest.
Now, who can say, what do you understand by the mean? Please.
Mean is the total sum of data divided by the total number of data.
Very good. Please clap for her. Mean can also be called the average. Now, the sum of all the values. Divided by what? The sum of the values divided by the what? Total number. So now, I want to give you a formula. We have two types of mean. We have the group data and the ungrouped data mean. The formula for the ungrouped data, like I said, we have the grouped data. Our mean, I said mean is also what? Average, and you can also call it what? X bar, right? Now, the formula for the ungrouped, now we are doing the ungrouped first, so you can see the formula, is equals to summation X over N. Now, this sign that I wrote here is summation. Add all the numbers together, and you divide it by the total number. So your N is the what? Total number. I told you group data has frequency. Now the formula for group data mean is equals to summation Fx over summation F. Now, this sign that I said again means what? Summation, right? And your F is what? Frequency. For our case of the study, this is what we are just treating today. Let's turn our book to page 87 for our Cambridge checkpoint. Now there's an example there. I'll write the question. We have 1, 3, 2, 4. So we want to find the mean. Looking at this question is ungrouped data. Now how will you know if it's a group data or ungrouped data? The group data, you see it in a box. And under it, it will be like this. Just look at it. You have something like this. And you can call this course, or you can put in bracket X, and under here you see frequency. Now we have mean, which is what our x bar is what? Summation x over n. It means we are adding all these numbers and we divide it by the total number. So let's add it together. So the mean x bar equals to 1 plus 3. Please, you do that for me and tell me the answer. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 4, plus 2, plus 2, plus 5, plus 2, plus 3. Who has done it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by what? 10. Now, when you added the numbers together, what did you get? 28. Please clap for him. Clap for him. So we have 28 divided by 10. Now, 28 divided by 10, I want somebody else. 28 divided by 10. 2.8. 2.8. Please clap for her. But if I don't want to leave my answer in decimal point, I can leave it in fraction, yes or no? Yes. Now, this is what you just do. How many 10 will you say in 28? 2 number. 8 over 10. Yes, good. Now, can this number still be broken down? Yes. So what can go here, I will go there. 2 can go here how many times? 4 times. What can go here again? The same number you used to divide the numerator is the same number you used to divide the denominator. So 2. So what will be here? 5. So if you are writing in fraction, we can write this, or in fraction is what? 2 number 4 over 5. Any question? My name is Olani Yayeni. I'm a math teacher in this school, Greater Tomorrow Academy. So equity-based learning basically just mean it focus on the children for them to know, ask questions and basically do it by themselves to understand what we are doing. Okay, in mathematics, what we do basically is like what we did just now. We show them videos. Showing them the videos, they will go home, they will watch the videos and try and look at it by themselves before coming back to school, and the teacher then further explains about it to them. Yeah, it is. It's helping. Like for me, teaching maths is really helping, because when I started, I'm used to the everyday teaching, just take my textbook and just start solving the question. But when I realized that IBM is very useful, show them the videos, because that's what they do in UK, an advanced country. They will watch the video first before this teacher will explain to them. So when you show them the videos, some of the students that really don't understand using the textbook for them, when they see the videos, they will understand more that, okay, this is what the teacher is just trying to say. So when the teacher is explaining further, they will understand where the teacher is going to.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. You're welcome to the home economics class. Today, we want to learn something different. We want to learn how to make a special Chinese sauce. This one is GTA special Chinese sauce with white rice. Are you getting me? So we'll start the process now. The first thing, like I told you, hygiene is what? Very essential. So you have to do what? Wash your hands first before you start. Okay, first of all, let me introduce these stuff we have here, all the recipe that we have here. This is a normal flour. This is what? Carrot. This carrot. This is spring onions. So this is a bell pepper of different color, the red, the green, and the yellow. And you see we have our normal onions here. This is beef. This is chicken breast. The same that you use for shawarma and some other stuff. Are you getting me? And this one is you say? We have what? The butter. These are coconut milk. Then this one is what? Sweet corn. We have thyme. We have curry. We have salt. And just few spice. This is ginger. This one Benny. And we have The first thing you will do now, when you want to start your sauce, the first thing you do is to prepare a dough using butter and what? The flour. Okay, we'll wait for the butter to ferment before we add the flour to it. I want to cut it to my own taste. And the onion to it. So I've added all my vegetables. Okay. We'll add our coconut milk. Burning, no burning now. Let me put my curry. I'll add the meat stock. There's still meat stock. We'll put our stock back. Time to put our vegetables. So in the next 1 minute, our sauce will be ready. Yeah, welcome to the Home Economics class. I am Chef Nonso. This knowledge, the children can use it in a greater way because this is a skill already. So when they learn this thing and they are good at it, they can use it to boost up their earning power.
My name is Miss Sandra and I'm your science teacher. Last week in our last class we talked about science. Am I right? Yes, sir. What did we say science is? We said that science is derived from a Latin word called scientia, also known as knowledge. And we said that science has two main categories, classifications. We said one is what? Biological, and the other is physical. Today we'll go to something else. We want to go to biology. Remember, this is still science, and it's basic science actually for your level. I just said the definition of biology. If you were paying attention, can you tell me what biology is? Praise.
That is the study of living beings.
Good, awesome. So we have living things. Now, when you say something is living, what are we talking about? Great. Awesome. It's breathing, yeah? Fortune. My name is Sandra Eyimema Osawinweze, and I am the basic science teacher in GTA Academy. The essence of basic science and biology and all the branches of science in GTA curriculum cannot be overestimated. The reason is we interact with other human beings, we interact with plants, we interact with animals, and so we want our children to be able to know what is going on around them. The essence really is to be able to study nature and the natural environment around them so that they can apply it later in life when they leave GTA.